Are you a goal setter? Every year, I would sit down and write down my goals. But this year, instead of setting new goals, I want to make new habits. I've been dreaming of a peaceful morning that feels like freshly baked bread. However, the reality of having 2 young kids is that no matter how early I wake up, we always rush to get out the door. Then I have to chant, fast legs, all the way to school. Not a calm way to start the day. So here's our new habit goal. Set 15 minutes for breakfast into our morning routine. These 15 minutes will also serve as a buffer just in case one of my kids need to go potty last minute. Another habit I'm working on is getting smarter with leftovers. I'm pretty sure I could save so much food and time by simply being more organized in the kitchen. Let's make freezer-friendly beef tacos. Let's assemble the tacos. In the spirit of being more organized, I want to get better at prepping freezer meals. These tacos freeze well. You just gotta make sure to defrost the tacos before frying them. Of course, you can skip frying in oil and use a dry pan, but let's face it, it's just not gonna be as tasty. Morning is my favorite time of the day. Even though most days are hectic, I still hold on to the idea of a calm and collected morning. Let's make one of my favorite breakfasts. You were,
I eat it.
you were eating it?
I eat it.
My youngest is always asking for noodles. The good thing is that this quick and easy miso butter noodle is beloved by my whole family.